everyone. We are here to discuss what is globalization. Globalization comes from the word globe, which means worldwide coming together of countries and nations. It is also a term used to describe the changes in societies and the world economy that are the results of dramatically increase of trade and cultural exchange. It describes the way countries and people of the world interact and integrate. Overall, globalization played an important role in making our lives much comfortable.
Let's proceed to the effect of globalization. There are two effects of globalization. The first one is the positive effect. In education, one of the significant effects of globalization is the use of different technologies like laptops, projector, computers as learning materials that made our studies more easier than before. Transportation, technology improved the system of transportation by upgrading the old vehicle to a better one like e-bike, LRT and MRT, cars and other electronic generated vehicles. And also, in terms of economic progression, through technology, we gain and make transactions to different countries internationally, especially in business industry that help us to produce money in an easier way.
The main negative effects of globalization is through our ecological aspects, such as climate change, because of the productions of different factories that contributes to pollution. Globalization caused the environment to be ruined. Globalization increased global warming, which is floods to wipe out cities and farms. Globalization demands for more resources to be used for more products, more won't be enough resources to future generations to use, development countries to lose jobs. In spite of its positive effects, there are also negative effects of globalization. Is ecological problems such as climate change because of used factories, airplanes, ships, trucks to transport goods to international borders is only increased because more carbon dioxide release of atmosphere and cause of global warming.
Let's proceed in the five elements of globalization, which are economical globalization, environmental, cultural, technological, and political globalization. We proceed to economical globalization. Economical globalization is an irreversible trend. Economic globalization refers to the increasing interdependence of world economies as a result of the growing scale of cross-border trade of commodities and services flow of international capital and wide and rapid spread of technologies. We proceed to environmental globalization. Refers to the internationally coordinated practices and regulations regarding environmental protection. It involves a deepening and expansion of global networks leading to increasing global uniformity and connectedness in regular environmental management practices.
Now we are going to cultural globalization. Cultural globalization refers to the transmission of ideas and values around the world in such a way as to extend and intensify social relations. This process is marked by the common consumption of cultures that had been diffused by the internet, popular culture media, and international travel. Cultural globalization involves the formation of shared norms and knowledge with which people associate their individual and collective cultural identities. It brings increasing interconnectedness among different populations and cultures. Next, technological globalization. Technological globalization is speeded in large part by technological diffusion, the spread of technology across borders. The technological progress and economic growth rates were linked, and that the rise in technological progress has helped improve the situation of many living in absolute poverty.
And lastly, the globalization of politics. Traditionally, politics has been undertaken within national politics system. National governments have been ultimately responsible for maintaining the security and economic welfare of their citizens, as well as the protection of human rights and the environment within their borders. With global ecological changes, an ever more integrated global economy, and other global trends, political activity increasingly takes place at the global level.